How to find data and storage settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find data and storage settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here we'll find this settings icon in the top corner, this one. Click on it and then scroll down, and here we'll find data and storage. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage data and storage. You can clear all the data or just manage anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.